Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan naan. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large mixing bowl. Gently warm 1 cup of plant-based milk to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for activating the yeast effectively, ensuring a fluffy texture. Add 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the warm milk. Then pour this wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes on a lightly floured surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. You want to feel it spring back slightly when poked. Lightly oil a clean bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it once to coat. Cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap. Let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. This slow rise builds flavor and texture. Once the dough has risen, gently punch it down to release the air. Transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface and divide it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a small ball. Using a rolling pin, flatten each ball into an oval shape, about 1/8 of an inch thick and approximately 6 to 7 inches long. Do not make them too thin or they will become crispy rather than soft and chewy. Heat a heavy cast iron skillet or non-stick pan over medium-high heat until it is smoking hot. Do not add any oil to the pan initially. Place one shaped naan onto the hot skillet. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes or until large bubbles appear on the surface and the underside is lightly browned. Flip the naan and cook for another 1 minute or until the second side also has golden brown spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.